Hey guys, it's Alex Gaming here, and there's a trick of where get that one. Let me hold it. We have this, and then if we have another one, and then we honestly stick it to the wall. It should stick, yeah, right, like that. Look, there's nothing even on it. Nothing, perfectly fine, except that because that's from the wall. It doesn't work a lot of the time.
Well,
see,
that's
it works right now. Nobody's. Okay, now you try it. See, nobody's touching it. Nobody's around.
Look, the other side. One more time. I'm not used to using it on that side.
But yeah, I don't think anybody's did this on YouTube, so can we please get this video to 1K likes?
At least 3,000 views.
Bruh. Well, yeah, and I want to have a lot of likes, because that would be cool.
Yeah, neat, right?
See? They're legit sticking. Nothing under it. Nothing. It legit sticks to anything. Watch.
Not anything.
Not anything, but
a lot of things.
I don't know. I don't get how it sticks to it. See? It's up there. See? All you have to do so it can get a little hot. Side of it. Okay, I'm done with that one.
Yeah.
That one was so dumb.
You like it up. Well,
we're gonna even wash it off to tell you guys. We're gonna even wash it off to tell you guys that this is not fake. Washing it off.
We had a delicious food right now. This morning too. Delicious.
I gotta rinse it off. Now, wait, I gotta dry it. It sticks! Gabe, see that? I just rinsed it off and it's stuck again. Legit, doesn't even make a sticking sound. That's just weird. Except for that. Ooh, so much water got out right there. I accidentally put water in that. Oh well.
Well, there's that video.
Yeah, guys.
It was supposed to be a short one. We just wanted to show you. It's no fake. It's not even clickbait. All we want to do is.
Oh yeah, get this video to 1K views. Get this video to at least 30. Shut up.
We're on our way to 50.
Shut up. 30 likes. See you guys.
Wait.
What?
We're on our way to 10 subscribers.